Rushane Patterson still not charged in Slickianna case. Hi again and welcome. This is Inn0cent TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Inn0cent TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Inn0cent TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Inn0cent TV News Report. After about 40 minutes of question and answer session on Tuesday, the police failed to charge Rushane Patterson with the crime in connection with the death of social media influencer Inn0cent. He was questioned in the presence of his lawyer, who sat on the behalf of his attorney Michelle Thomas. Patterson was reportedly asked direct questions about 1,000, to which he responded with general answers. He remained behind bars as a result of being charged last week with abduction in connection with a 2018 incident. On Tuesday, Rushane Patterson's lawyer argued that she believed that he was treated unfairly while in the police custody. A court date has not yet been set for the 2018 matter, but Thomas said that preparation will now have to be made. Patterson was charged last week, Thursday, with abduction and assault in connection with an incident that took place between himself and a woman who alleged to be his girlfriend. In that incident, it is reported that the complainant asked to meet with him at a gas station on Duane Park Road in the corporate area. When they reportedly met, he reportedly showed her a picture of her new boyfriend and demanded to know how many times they have had intercourse. Patterson reportedly drove away with the woman before stopping along a roadway and attempted to choke her. She was allegedly hit all over her body. It is further alleged that Patterson asked the woman for money. She refused and she was threatened by the individual, and that he will kill her and dispose of her body. Allegations are that after the woman convinced him that she would not report the incident, he took her back to her car and then drove away. She later reported the alleged incident to the police. There were no updates on the case until Patterson was named as a person of interest in Inn0cent case on October 22nd, a day after her body was discovered in a beach in Montego Bay, St. James, and then retrieved by the police. A postmortem examination conducted on November 5th indicating that Inn0cent was strangled with what appears to be a shoe's lace. Rushane Patterson's attorney said that her client will never recover from the way the police have handled the investigation. Whether he overcomes this hurdle or not, he will always be scarred in the public eye. His reputation is gone. It is a sad day when the Jamaica Constabulary Force would have a man have his picture posted, ask that he come in, create in the public as if he is not innocent, and create the public assumption as if they do have substantial evidence on him, when in fact they don't. Right now, they would have prejudiced the man because they would have heightened the fact of a person of interest upstairs the public, and now we reach at a brink of a moment. There is nothing conclusive to say that he was the one that committed a crime. It is just sad that this 2018 incident matter had to come up to the forefront light of another matter, the Slickianna case, being brought to light. So one have to wonder whether or not the police would have pursued the 2018 case if they did not list him as a person of interest regarding the Inn0cent case. This according to Rushane Patterson's attorney. Inn0cent TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.